Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Where the Hair Sis. My name is Arlah. Today I'm excited to show you our absolute favorite piece from Raquel Welch. This is Model Mode in the color Shaded Cappuccino. I would like to thank Name Brand Wigs for sending us this piece to review. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Model Mode by Raquel Welch in the color Shaded Cappuccino. This is the front. This is the right side. This is the back. This is the left side. And back to the front. Now we really love this color. This is Shaded Cappuccino. It is a light golden brown with cool blonde highlights and dark brown roots. Since this is a high density, long, heat friendly synthetic piece, she requires a lot of maintenance. So make sure to keep that in mind. And by maintenance, I mean to keep the curls intact and the fibers without tangles. Make sure you have that wide tooth comb so that you're getting rid of the tangles at the end and the nape throughout the day. Eventually, she will need restyling. So in order to do that, make sure you're spritzing some water. You have to straighten the entire piece first and then wait for it to cool and dry. Spritz water again on small strands and then proceed to curl it. That's how you're going to get it back. Well, it's never going to be exactly as it was when you first got it unless you're like a super expert, but it will be close once you restyle it and curl it. But for us, we find it super satisfying to restyle these wigs because there's like endless possibilities. I've actually straightened one of these before and I loved how it was straight because it looks even longer. You can always put the curls back in because it is a heat-friendly synthetic. This is such a glamorous piece, and in the past we've said that Model Mode should really be for like special occasions, but you know what? You are the special occasion. So wear it whenever you want to, on a daily basis if you want to, because you deserve to look fabulous every single day. Now let's go over the specs of Model Mode. She weighs 7.3 ounces. She's described as a high density piece, and she's got some permatease for a more voluminous look if you want. But I prefer to not be so voluminous. This is fine. So you have both options. She does have plenty of layers, the shortest being 11 inches and the longest being 17.5 inches. And from the nape down, she is 17.5 inches long. She has a beautiful lace front, as with all Raquel Welch pieces. Velvet ear tabs, extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. Let me go ahead and take this piece off so that you can see the cap construction. I do have a 23-inch head circumference, and this is how it came in the mail. I did not have to adjust the Velcro adjusters at all. Okay, so here is the extended lace front, which makes it look natural. Velvet ear tabs, open wefted cap, that's very stretchy, perfect for my 23-inch head, and extended nape and Velcro adjusters. She's also got a full monofilament top for the ultimate parting versatility. And if you like to play with your hair, you know, like when you tousle it from side to side, you will be able to do that with this piece. So let's go ahead and take a look at this color outside. Okay, so here she is in the shade. Again, this is Shaded Cappuccino. And let's look at her in direct sunlight. And that is it for this video. Head over to namebrandwigs.com and use code SIS30 for 30% off qualifying purchases. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.